Firebolt Invincible Plus. Let's unbox this. Yay. Here we go. So this is Firebolt Invincible Plus. I waited for this model, the black color, the black belt, for almost 2 months. Now they are available on the Amazon, so I ordered them. This is Firebolt Invincible Plus, Bluetooth calling, 36.3 mm, that is 1.43 inch of AMOLED display, 4GB inbuilt storage, inbuilt mic, voice assistant, 110 plus inbuilt watch faces, connect with TWS, Bluetooth calling, 300 plus sports modes, and 460 into 460 pixel resolutions. SOP monitoring, heart rate tracking, metal body, meditative breathing, sleep monitoring, 300 plus storage can be loaded. Camera control, smart notification, IP67 water resistance. So let's open this. This sound is amazing when you open something. New watch, a premium watch. All right. It is hard to remove. Finally, Firebolt. The box looked premium. Felt like Apple box, but let's open this. Yo. Wow, looks awesome. Here we go, we have watch here. Oh, manuals. User manual and everything, so many cards. And I think we have charger in here. If you want me to do the full review of this watch, just comment me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.